my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. So you guys might have already seen my IKEA vlog, and if you haven't, watch it right now, it's right here. So yeah, so we went to IKEA today, that is on 26th of January, and it was an hell of an experience, guys. I mean, the IKEA store is so huge, and yeah, I really had lots of fun. For people who don't know what IKEA is, so IKEA is a Swedish brand which mainly deals into furnitures, very affordable furnitures, and it's like ready to assemble furnitures. So there is one IKEA in Hyderabad, but in Mumbai there was no IKEA store. So recently, like on 18th of December, I believe, they inaugurated their store in Mumbai, in Navi Mumbai, which was really near to my home. I took almost 45 minutes to reach there, and we had to book a slot because you cannot directly go into IKEA. You need to book a slot owing to the pandemic situation. You need to book a slot prior, and yes, it was kind of a smooth thing. You might have seen in the video, everything was managed by IKEA really well. So I had a great shopping experience with IKEA. Yeah, so I bought few products from IKEA, and I'm going to share all of them with you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So IKEA is very famous for home decor as well as for home furnitures, and they have absolutely all types of furnitures for everybody, like for kids, for elderly, for everybody they have the furniture. So I did not buy any furnitures because we already have lots of furnitures at home, so I did not go for the furniture. But my husband is a big fan of IKEA, so he wanted to visit there and he couldn't wait, and that is why we went there today. So we bought some basic home decor and basic kitchen stuff, which I'm going to show you. So yeah, let's jump into it. The very first product is a huge product that's been lying here. It's a beautiful doormat, and it has kind of it's a jute doormat which is really good. I really like the size. I mean, look at this. The size and the build quality of this doormat seems really good. So yeah, I'm really happy with this product. I'm going to mention all the prices over here. For any price, if I remember, I'm going to tell it now. So this particular doormat was for 299 rupees. So it's totally worth it, guys. I absolutely love the build and quality of this doormat. Next is this box. So yeah, so first product I took out is a beautiful IKEA. It's a parrot green color. It's basically a chopping board. If you can see, it's the cutest, smallest chopping board I've ever seen. This is very much travel friendly, as in you can take it anywhere. So the MRP is 156, but in IKEA it was only for 59 rupees. Again, the quality of the plastic and build is really good. Next is a basic sponge. So I'm going to open it for you. This is what the sponge looks like. I think it's a very basic sponge, but we were just excited about the shape of the sponge, and yeah, it looks quite good. I think it's a horse. Next are these amazing slip-ons, guys. I absolutely loved it. It's so soft, and these were only for 199, and I really like it. It's really comfortable, and I absolutely love the color. So that's the slip-on. Next is an organizer bag. If you can see, it has these buttons over here. Now this organizer was for around 300 something, and if you can see, the bag is very spacious and it has a very soft material, again in grey color. So there are different compartments, if you can see, wherein you can keep your your stuff, your office stuff or something like that. You can carry it as your casual bag. So I really like this particular product as well. So yeah, so this is the bag. Next is a book holder. If you can see, so there is a letter B. So this is the letter B, and here if you can see, there is a space wherein you can keep your books. So this is the way you keep it, and then you can arrange your novels or any books if you're reading. So this is the bookkeeper. I'm going to open it and show it to you. So this is how it looks like. It's a nice white color, and this is how wherein you keep your books. Up next is a basic knife. I really like the color, and I'm really happy about the knife cover which they have given. So if you are traveling somewhere, ideally you should not travel anywhere with the knife, but if you're going for a picnic and if you're traveling in train, so if you want to cut apples or some other fruits. So this comes really handy, and I'm really happy about the cover they have given. So this one's the basic knife, and this one was only for 59 rupees, and that is why I got it. Next is a set of towels from IKEA. Now it has a set of 10 towels, so I'm going to show you one towel from it. So these are normal kitchen towels, and you can hang it somewhere. So I've given this particular part, and it's in different colors. So yeah, so total there are 10 towels here. So these are just normal towels. You can also, you know, cut this off and use it as a handkerchief. So the material feels quite soft, and it is quite basic. And the set of these 10 towels was for around 300 rupees. So yeah. Next up is a mirror or a glass cleaner. So this was really not needed, but then my husband, he really liked it, so he bought it. It's a normal mirror or glass cleaner. So it was only for 129 rupees, and I really liked it. Next up is a milk frother. This is basically a electric milk frother, and it is operated by battery. So here is how you open it. Yeah, and here is you insert your batteries, and this is a very basic milk frother. I think this was also very quite affordable. It was only for 89 or 79 rupees, so I really liked it. Of course, it is without the battery, so I'm really excited to use this product. Next is a very cute product that we got. It is a very vintage alarm clock, guys. I mean, you know, when you go to some shop and there are few things that you see and you just want to get it. So this was one of them. I think it's really cute. I'm going to show it to you. Yeah. So this is how the alarm clock looks like. It's so vintage, guys, and it's very small in size, but it is so cute. The build quality is so amazing, guys. I mean, I am touching it, so I know it right now. The build quality is really great, and it is operated by battery, and the brand, of course, it's IKEA. So absolutely loved it. I think this particular product was for 400 and something. I'm going to mention it here. So absolutely love this alarm clock. Next is a basic mug. So we have a lot of mugs, but you know, just so we got this IKEA mug. It was for 149. I absolutely loved the color. It's a very nice grayish bluish combination color. So, and we absolutely loved it. Next is a set of 12 sketch pens from IKEA. I absolutely love the colors. Now, if you guys know me, I absolutely love playing with colors, whether it be makeup or my drawing book. So I wanted to give it a try. So this particular was for 149, which I think is quite good for the price, and I got them. Yeah. Next up is a set of 5 bowls. The build quality of these bowls are really good, and look at the colors, such pretty pastel colors. And these are microwavable bowls, so you can also use it to microwave your food. And all the 6 bowls were only for 99. I have to get it, guys. Similarly, I got a set of 4 spoons. Now it's from the same brand. So there are a set of 4 spoons. If you can see, the build quality is so good, guys. And these 4 spoons were only for 19 rupees. 19 rupees. I absolutely love these spoons. They have no sharp edges, and if you can see, the build quality and everything looks so good. Plus the colors are also so amazing. So next is a set of spoons. So these are basically for non-stick cookware. So I wanted this, but there was no option to get only one, so I had to get this. Now these 3 set of spoons was only for 99 rupees, which I absolutely loved. Again, the build quality is amazing, guys. So there are a pair of tongs, and then there is a normal chammach, the normal spoon, and this is this other spoon. So I absolutely loved it. It is a matte black. Next is a set of cutlery. So if you can see, there are 12 cutleries, 4 each. So there is a big spoon, a small spoon, and there are 4 forks in here. And It's so heavy guys, and it's only for 199. So 12 cutleries, you get it for 195. It's totally worth it. I absolutely loved them. Yeah. So these are made up of stainless steel and it's so heavy. The build feels so good. I have actually seen the spoons because this is a complete packet, but there were spoons that were free of packet, so I did hold the spoon and it felt so good. The look and feel is obviously very good, so thumbs up for this as well. Next is a normal bottle. So this is a stainless steel bottle. So this is, if you could compare, this is a Milton bottle and this is the IKEA bottle, and both feels, in fact this feels very heavier. So yeah, so I think the build quality of IKEA, I'm saying it again and again, but guys, I am really happy with the build and quality, and that is why I'm saying it again. So this is a normal bottle. I'm just going to open it and show it to you. This is how the bottle looks like. So there is a pressed button, if you can see, and also we can open it. So this is a thermo steel bottle. Next up is a pair of gloves. So I wanted this glove, so I initially thought that it's two gloves because I could see two colors, but it is just one single glove because it is a combination of two colors. So these are normal gloves. I'm not going to open it. So these were for 89 rupees, so I just got one of them. Next is a cutlery or a pen storage bin, if you can see. So yeah, so this was really cheap. I think this was for only 99 rupees, and there are two storage bins, if you can see. So you can either keep your cutlery, you can either keep your stationery like your pens and markers. So you can keep anything, and you can also use it as a small bin near your table. So I absolutely love this. Next is a coffee box. You can either keep coffee or you can either keep sugar or tea, anything. So this is how the box looks like. I think it's a normal metallic box, and this is how you open it. Give me a second. Okay, so this is how you open it. So it's quite spacious, and you can either keep your tea, coffee or sugar in it. Yeah, and this looks really good. So this is the box. It looks really classy and really chic. So absolutely love the box. Next is a set of batteries which were there exactly beside the milk frother, because the milk frother is operated by battery. So we got one of them so that we are sure. So there are a set of 10 batteries over here which we can use. Next we got a converter. This is basically a bulb converter. It's from B22 to E27. It is just a bulb converter. So we have a bulb which has B22 that will not be directly implemented in the bulb plug which we have. So we got a converter for that, so that we can attach this and then attach this one to the bulb plug which we have, so that we use the bulb. So yeah, that's the bulb converter. Next is this box itself. So this is a very good organizer box, if you can see, and you can totally collapse it. So they have given a chain over here which you just need to remove, and then this is how we got the box. Now this is a organizer box, if you can see, and I absolutely love the color, plus the build also looks really good. So if sometimes you need to take things from here to there, you can definitely use this box, and it is very much it's completely travel friendly, if you can see, and the build and the quality seems also really good. So all the products which I was showing was in this particular box. This was only for 299, so we had to get it and we absolutely loved it. Next is a waste bin. So recently in my society we have been asked to segregate the wet and the dry waste. So we already have one dustbin at home, so we wanted to get another one so that we can segregate our dry waste. So this is what we are going to use. Now this particular bin was for only 69 rupees, and I absolutely love the color. Look at the finish. It's a beautiful matte finish, and the plastic is so good, guys. I mean, I can't even tell you. For the price we are paying for, the product is absolutely amazing. Next is a toilet cleaner. It's a basic toilet cleaner, and you have so I'm just going to open it and show it to you. So this is how the toilet cleaner looks like. This is completely made up of steel. It feels really heavy, and this is what the brush looks like, and this is where you can store in. They have given a box, so really good for that, so that you can keep it in place and it doesn't fall off. So we absolutely like the build and quality of this particular toilet cleaner as well. And so this product was for around 400 and something, and we really liked it, and that's why we got it. Up next is a utensil strainer. Like, you know, after washings you need to strain your utensils, and we bought this. Now this was only for 249. Now this is quite small to the utensil strainer which I had, but this seems really good. So this is the place wherein you can keep your spoons and your forks, and they have this wherein you can, you know, set your dishes like your plates, small plates, big plates, and here you can keep the bowls and stuff. So I absolutely love the build and quality. This was only for 249, and look at this, guys, it's so good. So I absolutely love the quality of the plastic that IKEA is giving. It is not at all compromising on the quality, and that is why we are in love with IKEA. So I absolutely love this product. Up next we got an artificial plant for our house. I absolutely loved it. I mean, it's so nice green and it looks really nice. I think this looks really good. I absolutely fell in love. So IKEA has a complete section wherein they have these all kinds of decor items like plants, flowers, and they have a complete section, but I absolutely loved it, so I got it. Next up is a real plant. So next up is a real plant. If you can see, it's a real plant, and this was for 139 rupees. I absolutely fell in love with it. So this is what the pot looks like. So if you see below, they have given for the excess water to come out, and that is why I got a pot for this particular plant. So I absolutely loved it. Now this was for around 199, but look at it, guys, it looks so good, and it's made up of ceramic. It's not plastic, or it is not steel. It's made up of ceramic, and I absolutely loved it. So this is how this cute little plant will look like, and I am totally in love with it. So this is the aloe vera plant, and I have to water it really carefully, not much, and I'm so happy with it. I think that is it from IKEA, guys. We are so glad that we went there, and we had an amazing time. So people who go there, you need not worry about food, because they have an amazing canteen and you will find amazing food out there. We wanted to go to the canteen to eat some food, but today it was too crowded to go there. There was a different line altogether. At least there were 50 people in front of me, so we didn't go there. So they have amazing and affordable food as well. So we end up having only samosas because the line was bearable there, but the line near the proper canteen where you get the proper food, it was pretty crazy. So since today is a holiday, it was pretty crowded, guys, but we had an amazing time in IKEA. So people who are in Mumbai and who are interested in home decor stuff, and they have amazing furnitures also, but we have all our furnitures done already, so that is why we couldn't invest there. But if you guys are like using new things, different things, cute things, you should definitely visit IKEA. So thumbs up IKEA from my side. This was my first experience, and I absolutely loved every bit of it. I mean, there are absolutely no complaints from my side. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this haul, if you like this video, please like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye. And I can't try to wait these. Sorry, I can't wait to try these.